Hi guys, to make this mask you will need a banana, castor oil, honey and coconut oil. Now this mask is going to give you instant results and you're going to love your hair. Bananas contain potassium, vitamins and carbohydrates which are really good for your hair and scalp. They help to improve your hair manageability, boost shine and also nourish your scalp. The next ingredient is castor oil, which helps to promote thicker and healthier and faster hair growth. I'm going to use 2 teaspoons of castor oil. Next up is coconut oil. It contains fatty acids and vitamins which help to nourish your scalp and hair follicles. Honey is amazing for your hair and has so many advantages. One of the advantages of honey is it adds moisture to your hair. It locks and seals in the moisture, giving you that extra shine. I'm just going to add a little bit of honey and then I'm going to take and blend away the mixture. Please don't try to smash it with a fork because you really want a smooth consistency of this mask. If there are banana pieces still there in the mask, it's going to be really hard to take them off when you shower. Pop on a towel or anything to protect your clothes and start applying the mask. Again, make sure the mask has a very smooth consistency. I usually start applying the mask from the ends and work my way upwards, focusing a lot of the mask on the damaged areas of my hair. After that, I just massage the leftover mask on my scalp. Tie your hair in a bun and then you want to wait for 20 minutes before you rinse off the mask and see amazing results.